Hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. This is my third time trying to do this video. This is part of a DT project for the That's Just Penny, and I have used her kit Stay Anchored. And this is a beautiful cover that she has created. I just love it. And I just did a soft covered journal here that can be used for writing. And this sari ribbon, I think I could say that correctly, as a tie for closure. Some beautiful lace that I found in a shop. And I also use part of her writing kit because I like to have space to write, and that's what I thought that this person would like as well. So there's her writing kit is included in here as well. And the library cards on the back. A little lighthouse as a tuck spot, which both of these are things that are in the kit. The only thing that I added in was some coffee dyed paper, as you can see here, and I did do some stamping on that coffee dyed paper. Every page in this journal just about is a pocket, so you can tuck some goodies in there. And the kit is just vibrant in color, and I love the coloring in this. I did do a little bit of stamping there. But the kit has just some beautiful, beautiful pages. I didn't use all of the pages in the kit, but these are the ones that I did use that I liked the most. I liked all of the pages, but I just didn't want to print all of them. And I like that her kits are downloadable and printable. That way I can continue to use it. So these are just beautiful pages. And I love the Bible verses that are in here. Scriptures that she has placed in there. And this kit just is a reminder to me that we need to stay anchored in the things of God. So it's very pretty. I love it. I did the soft cover journal, and I used just cardstock for my cover. And I did reinforce the folded area here with a little bit of the Fibba tape. And here is the little charms I put on the bottom of there. And then in the kit she has these beautiful tags, and this tag I made a shaker out of it. And I watched another video. I do not remember the lady's name, so I do apologize for not being able to give her specific credit, but she had a video that actually showed you how to do this. And this is done without the fuse tool. It is done with just the hot glue gun and the lace, and then I just put a piece of cardstock over the back to cover up the lacy area, the tool that's behind it. So that's very, very pretty. She has these beautiful prayer pockets that go with it. And the tags, I love the tags and the colors. She has lots of tags in this kit. I did not use all of them, and I just wanted to keep this kind of simple because it's for a swap, and I'll be sending it out for the person today. So this is the lighthouse on the back. So they're very, very pretty, very easy to print. I love that they are downloadable and printable. I can continue to make this kit and use it, and I will actually be making one of these for myself and for my for a giveaway in my Bible journaling group, the East Coast Bible Journaling Group. So thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you love this kit, pop on over to That's Just Penny, and it is called the Stay Anchored. And again, this is for my design team project. And I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.